Hello, welcome to week one. I have created a learning module for you, and the learning module is entitled Class Socioeconomic Status. So, this is what we will be discussing this week. If you click on the left hand side, you would see that week one is under course content. So, you just click on your menu, week one, and that would open the learning module. Click on the learning module and you would see that there are readings and videos, which are part of, are supplemental to the readings, and you also need to look at them. So you click on your readings folder. In there, I have attached two readings. One is a PDF. You click on the PDF, it takes you right to the article. And the other one is actually a link that takes you to the other article. As far as the videos go, if you click on the videos, you will see that I have uploaded two videos. The first one talks about how America's public schools keeps kids in poverty, and it's both of them actually TED Talks. So now we could play the video.
I want to talk to you about my kids. Now, I know everyone thinks that their kid is the most fantastic, the most beautiful kid that ever lived, but mine really are. I have 696 kids, and they are the most intelligent, inventive, innovative, brilliant, and powerful kids that you'll ever meet.
So, yes, everyone does think their kid is special. So this is your first video, and then the second video is how to fix a broken school.
It was November 1st, 2002, my first day as a principal, but hardly my first day in the school district of Philadelphia. I graduated from Philadelphia Public Schools, and I went on to teach special education for 20 years in a low-income, low-performing school in North Philadelphia, where crime is rampant and deep poverty is among the highest in the nation.
So that's your second video. Hope you look at both the readings and the videos and follow our directions. I would like you to watch the video before our synchronous class and to take notes and be prepared to discuss both videos.